In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export a REPLIT app to GitHub. We'll walk through getting your project from REPLIT into GitHub and then downloading a clean copy to your computer. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along without any surprises. Start by opening your project on REPLIT. Once your workspace loads, look for the Git option at the top of the interface. Click it to open the Git panel. This panel is where you'll see your changes, write commit messages, and manage how your code syncs with GitHub. Inside the Git panel, find the small settings gear icon. Click that to open the Git integration settings. Here, make sure your GitHub account is connected to REPLIT. If you're not connected yet, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Keep an eye on which GitHub account you're linking, especially if you use more than one. If REPLIT asks you to confirm a repository or visibility, choose what fits your project. Once connected, you're ready to push code. Head back to the Git panel. If you've made changes, you'll see them listed. Write a clear, short commit message describing what you changed. Good messages make it much easier to track your work later. Then, use the push control on the right side to send your committed changes to GitHub. Depending on your setup, REPLIT may stage and commit for you, or it may ask you to confirm. If you see any prompts about selecting a repository or a branch, pick the correct project and stick with the main branch unless you know you're using another. Wait for the confirmation that the push completed successfully. Next, switch over to GitHub in your browser and open the repository associated with your REPLIT project. You should see your latest commit at the top of the file list. This is a good moment to verify that the files and directories look as expected. When you're ready to export a copy to your local machine, click the green code button near the top right of the repository page. In the dropdown, choose Download Zip. Your browser will save a zip file containing your entire repository. After it finishes downloading, unzip it on your computer to access all your project files exactly as they appear in GitHub. This is handy for backups, sharing, or working offline. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.